just upload the video on YouTube to everybody who want to learn about this simple program that we wrote. At this point, I did not finish the program yet, but I know this program is to, as we say, it's called the take a break program. That every 2 hours, or browser will open and play a video to remind you that you have to take a break. And this is the function that we wrote for this program. Okay, import time, import web browser, time that sleep 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, the video will pop, or the windows will pop up a video in play. So this is the function web browser that open, and this is the link to the video that I want you to see. So I can give you a simple demonstration about the simple program. If I click one, after 10 seconds you will see a video open, I mean a browser open and play a video. So I'm working on two. Let me start over. If I want the video, after 10 seconds you will see the video, the window, the web browser will open. Here we go. And this is how we create that simple program. Okay guys, thank you for watching.